Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add a PDF or a digital file on ClickFunnels 1.0 and 2.0 as well. So this is ClickFunnels 2.0, right? But let me show you how to do it first in 1.0. So as you can see, this is called a digital asset. The supported file types for digital assets are JPEG, GF, PNG, PDF, stuff like that, right? Now, first of all, what you need to do is you need to hit your account profile menu and you will have your account settings, right? Then once you scroll down, you will have digital assets, right? And from digital assets, you can click on new asset right here. You can click choose file, right? You can browse your device, select the file you want to upload. And then you need to enter the asset name. Again, in this field, you should enter your asset's name. Keep in mind, this will be visible for your leads or customers. There are different delivery methods on digital assets as well right here, as you can see. Then you need to enter the from name. This is optional. Enter the from email, optional again. Enter the message, optional. And then you just click add. Now, you can locate your digital asset link, access account settings under the account profile menu. Click on digital assets to the left and then click on desired digital asset, which is right here. You can find the link to the digital asset under path to current file, which is right here. And then you can delete a digital asset, right, if you want, or access your digital asset and stuff like that, right? Okay, so I just show you how you can do this in ClickFunnels 1.0. This is how you can do it in ClickFunnels 2.0. So you go to settings here, and from settings, what you can do is you can go to my assets right here. Here, what you can do is you can upload images, videos, downloads, audio, fonts, stuff like that right here. As you can see, let's go to upload image here. And you can drag and drop files and stuff like that, right? Now, okay, let's say we want to add, for example, downloads, right? You can go here, we can upload file here, right? We can upload file, which could be, any file. I will just upload the image right here. This is going to be the image. You can upload a PDF, by the way, and click create file. Now this file is called image, right? Now what we can do is we can go to our sites and funnels here, and we can go to funnels here. And let's say we want to go to edit this funnel here, or you can create a new funnel. And we can actually go back. I want to actually go and click on the funnel to edit it. Right here. Now we have to load it up here. And okay, let's say we want to edit this page and we want to add that PDF, right? So what we're doing is we're adding a PDF. So what we can do here is we can go to, for example, add a row. And then here, not add a row, but what we can do is we can go to layout, my assets here, and then here you can add a lot of different stuff, right? You have a lot of different things that you can add about us, the testimonials, stuff like that. But what we're looking for a image. So what we can do is we can go to layout, info, and then let's say we have let's say we have this one. Let me just close this one. And what we can do is we can add a section. Let's say full page, and let's say here we want to add something, right? We want to add one column. And then here you can see you have a lot of different things: image, video pop-up, input, navigation, link. Let's say you have a link, right? On your digital assets, you can actually generate a link. You can add here a link, and then you can put the link right here. So let's say we click link, right? We have a link here, and then we can put this right here. So let me show you how you can generate a link. If we go back here, you can see if we go to settings, my assets, and then downloads, here we can go actually to edit, and then we can download current file. Once we download current file, here is the link. So this is the link. You can copy that link there where I set it in the ClickFunnels, on the funnel, and then you can pretty much add it right like that. So, and this is also how you can add the PDF as well. So this is basically how to add PDF or digital file on ClickFunnels. Very easy, very simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.